Hello, we are Group 4 and we are doing Semiotics 2. What do we normally think of when we see a Cheerios box? We may often think of it as a heart-healthy cereal and a better breakfast choice than other cereals. According to Roland Barthes, these are denotative meanings of Cheerios. As you may guess, denotative is what we think when we see something. It is an accepted meaning. Building off of Saussure's work on semiological system, Roland Barthes extended this system to introduce concepts of denotative. Connotative meanings of signs, and he also developed a theory of myth, derived from these two meanings, that would uncover hidden and often manipulative meanings of everyday things. So what about connotative meaning and myth? Connotative meanings are additional meanings that may not be visible. While we often have good thoughts that denotate what Cheerios are, the connotative meanings have different implications. So what are the connotative meanings of Cheerios? This healthy breakfast shows how we have changed from a natural way of producing food to manufacturing food, and our commercialized way of getting food. These meanings are only arrived after some thought on what Cheerios are and how it came to be. So what's myth? Barthes implemented a series of steps in order for us to see how a myth can be derived by an image or a symbol, beginning with the image as a signifier, and the description of the image as a signified. We then derive a deeper description of the signifier and the signified. This would be the denotative and connotative meanings. We then come to the myth, which combines after a deep analysis. In this case, we think of Cheerios as the common-day cereal that is healthy for us to eat and consume, that shows our advancement of food production and gathering up to the benefit of the consumer. This is the myth because we do not think about the pollution in the production and the waste of the production that is harmful to us. You've been